Okay, to install the RyzeAuto dash inserts, it is very simple. First, you get your cable that you want to charge your device with. You feed it through the outer cable feed on the side here. You kind of just snake it in, just like that. And then on the bottom, you feed it through this channel. It won't stay in the channel very well by itself, depending on the cable. It might not. But once you actually push this in, and you firmly push it in, it'll stay there nice and tight up against the console right here. And then all you have to do next, install your ball mount for, say, a RAM mount or whatever accessory you want. And you are good to go. Just plug in your device with your cable just like that. Easy to install. It's in there nice and tight. You cannot really pull it out, but if you do wiggle it back and forth, it does loosen up just like that. But again, it's super easy to install. You can install it with the RAM mount already installed. Just push it firmly up against there and you should be good to go. And then you have a place to mount your keys right here, and then your sunglasses right here on the driver's side.